Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to rip a DVD to MP4 with HandBrake. Select the correct title, choose practical settings, and fix common issues. This tutorial is for unprotected DVDs you own or have permission to copy. HandBrake does not bypass copy protection. First, insert the DVD or open a DVD folder. HandBrake will scan the source and list the available titles. A movie is often the longest title. Check the duration and preview the video before continuing. Next, choose a preset. I'm using Fast 720p 30 since it can keep the same resolution and FPS as my source DVD as much as possible. Open the Video tab. For the video encoder, H.264 is still a safer choice. I'm using H.264 and NVENC to speed up encoding with a supported NVIDIA GPU. For constant quality, start near the preset default. In this example, I'm using 20 to 22. Lower values give you higher quality and larger files. Then check the Audio and Subtitles tabs. Select the tracks and languages you want to keep. When everything is ready, click Start Encode. You can open the queue to monitor the progress. After encoding, play the MP4 and check the quality, audio, and subtitles. Common problems include an unreadable source, the wrong title, missing audio, the wrong language, or slow encoding. If HandBrake selects the wrong video, choose another title and check its duration or preview. For missing audio or the wrong language, review the Audio and Subtitles tabs. If encoding is slow, switch to a supported hardware encoder or choose a faster encoder preset. HandBrake gives you detailed control but is more complicated. For an easier workflow, try any video converter. Open Format Convert and click Add DVD Disc. Enable automatic filtering to skip short, non-essential clips such as menus, intros, trailers, and bonus content. After scanning, select the titles, audio tracks, and subtitles you want. Choose MP4 as the output format, then adjust the resolution, codec, and quality if needed. Click Convert Now to begin. After conversion, you can open the video in the AI Video Enhancer tool to upscale or enhance it with AI. Thanks for watching. For more DVD to MP4 methods and video conversion tutorials, choose one of the videos on screen.